Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will review another resume for software testing expert who has about 2.5 years of experience and wants to move into data science career. This person reached out to me on LinkedIn for career advice and help. So he's trying to get into data science, more specifically into data analyst role. And today we will review his resume. So first, let's look at the summary. A meticulous and analytical software testing expert with so and so years of experience dedicated to maintaining quality and reliability, eager to shift to data analyst position, utilizing robust background in data validation, and so on. Okay. Yeah, this is a good summary. And next, he has some technical skills, some work experience, some projects, and education and achievement. So overall, it looks a really clean and professionally built resume, but we will talk about few of the things which can be improved. Technical skill looks good and relevant for the kind of role he is looking for. But one improvement which can be made is make it more precise because this resume has more focus on primary skill like Power BI, but Power BI desktop and service can be clubbed together. Again, in parentheses, you can write about Power Query and DAX, which is also part of Power BI skill set. SQL is very important and is tested very thoroughly for data analyst role. So you can also highlight that. And apart from that, advanced Excel, Python, these are generic stuff. So make sure you can make it more precise. And because Power BI looks like your primary skill or maybe the strength in your skill set, you want to make it more highlighted. Next, you have your work experience. Looks like you have worked in um, software quality assurance and automation manual testing. Um, so for this one, looks like this is not quite relevant to what role you are looking for. We would still want to keep it because obviously this is not a career gap for you. Um, but I think it is better to put it later in the resume than the project because for a recruiter who is looking for a data analyst, will be definitely interested more in your data science work than what you have worked on, which is not quite relevant to your uh, next desired role. So I would suggest you to put technical skills and then the projects and then the work experience. And for projects, okay, we'll go one by one. Let's look at the work experience. So created scripts, analyze system performance and JMeter. Looks like this could be a single sentence, which is made into two bullets. So this can be corrected. Monitored, performed, manual and automated to load tests, developed comprehensive test plans. Okay, these are fine, but I think you can make it much shorter because if you are looking for another job in quality assurance or similar role, maybe in such cases it is useful to be more elaborate about what you have done. Otherwise, you can just make it really short in 2 lines. Same thing with the internship as well. I think it looks good, but you can put it below the projects. So work experience, since it is not relevant to the desired role that you are looking for, it should go below the projects. So for any recruiter who is looking at your profile should already see what things you bring to the table. Let's say the technical skills which you have. You can also talk about some communication skills, soft skill as well here, and not just technical skills. Um, Anyway, so work experience is good, just you need to make it more precise and move it to the bottom. Coming to the projects, this is the most important part because you don't have experience in data science and you want to find a job in as a fresher in data science. So yes, three projects is good. It will be better if you can add two more projects. And let's look at the details. Sales data analysis using Power BI, developed an interactive Power BI dashboard to analyze sales trends and product performance across regions. Created tax formulas, okay. Built an overview report, sales and profit trend, okay. Insurance data analysis, um, this is good. UPI transaction and data analysis using Power BI insights from this led to 10% improvement. Okay. You can add a couple of more projects because you are going to reduce this bit of your work experience. So the main idea to have is to have more to talk about what you can offer or what you have explored so far in uh, Power BI or in data science so that um, even the recruiter also has a lot of things to look at in your resume and ask you questions, and you can also showcase your understanding and your skill set. Education is good. Achievements, okay. Here you have mentioned about career essentials, some certifications. So yes, certification is good. I think this is rather certification than achievements. Achievements are usually like if you have, let's say, got an award or you have been appreciated for some good work in your previous job, or you did something exceptionally well in your college. So such kind of things can be mentioned in achievements. But yeah, this looks more like certifications. You can definitely add certifications which are a little bit more advanced. So yeah, that's all I have. I think this is overall a very good resume, just few tweaks here and there, and you will be good to go. Overall, it looks very professional and neat and clean. Make sure that there is no spelling mistake, and also make sure that the technical skills are highlighted, like what are the things you are actually very good at, and make sure you are able to answer beginner to intermediate level questions, because this is for a fresher's job that you are trying to apply. So that's why you don't really need to go into too much of advanced topics. But make sure that whatever skill set you are mentioning in the CV or resume, you are able to answer some questions from those. So yeah, that's all for the review. And if you guys need another resume review from me, you can write to me on LinkedIn, and I will do the same for you guys as well. So that's all for the day, guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today, and we will meet again very, very soon. Bye, guys.